Hello, my name is Isabella Mester. Today we'll be going over question 3 for quiz 5 for Computer Science 110. So essentially we'll be using the function that I made in question 1 as a helper function for the table of productive units. And so basically I'll go in and define my function, which includes a docstring statement, which will just reiterate what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to use the helper function from question 1 to create that table of productive units. So then I can go ahead and add a table heading for readability using the headers even1, even2, and product. Also printing out dashed lines for readability. And then I can go ahead and use a for loop and range statement as well as an if statement, basically saying that if it's an even int, then the above function will be called. And then I can go ahead and call my helper function from above, and then I will call my new table function. And for this sample run, I'll be using 2 to 12. So once I run this, I can see that my table has 3 columns, even1, even2, and product, just like we want. And there's my 2 to 12 and my final product, which is 46,080. And that's basically that. So thank you for watching.